Hello everyone, this is Arham from SVCE. Today with the subject of database management systems, here we'll be learning about the introduction to ER diagram for order processing database. Here we explore the intricate web relations that power an order processing database through an ER, that is an entity relationship diagram. This visual representation showcases the key entities and their attributes, the connection in order to drive a fulfillment. Entities. The customers, the primary entity that represents individuals or organization who place or order of the products. The products are the entity that store the information about various goods and services offering the company, such as description, the prices, and their availability. Orders, the central entity that captures the details of each customer's purchase, including the products ordered, including the products delivered, all the information based on the products. The suppliers, the entity that represents the companies and the company individuals who provide the product to the business, including their contact details and the details of the product's information. What are relationships? Because we are learning about entity and relationships. So relationships here are the customer places order. Well, when the customer places an order, it forms a relationship between the customer and the ordering process and placing orders. This establishes a relationship between the customer and the order that they have placed. The order contains products. Each order placed by the customer will contain one or more product that the customer has selected to purchase. This relationship links the order to the specific product included in the order. The supplier provides the products to the owner. Not the owner, the customer. The products available for the customers to order provided by various suppliers. This relationship connects the supplier to the products they make available for the order processing system. What are attributes? There are 4 attributes: customer, order, product, and the supplier. The customer is one that orders the product. So the customer entity attributes has like name, address, the phone number, which provides details which help to identify the contact and the contact name of each customer. What is the order? The order entity tracks important information such as the order ID, the total order, and the order amount. This data is crucial for processing and analyzing the sales. So, the product entity stores details about each item, including the product ID, the name, the price, the quantity. This allows the system to manage the inventory and the pricing to be given. The supplier entity maintains information about the company individual. It provides the product such as their ID name and the contact details so that it supplies to the customer. What are the primary keys in this? The primary keys include the customer ID, the order ID, product ID, and the supplier ID. The customer ID is the primary key of the customer entity. It is a unique customer underscore ID field which receives and serves the main identifier for each of the customer record. Order ID. The order entity is the unique order ID, order underscore ID. That's how we write it in the syntax, which allows us for each order to be distinctively tracked with the appropriate customer. Product ID. The primary key for the product ID is the unique product field, which ensures the product can be identified and managed independently within the system. The supplier ID, the primary key for the supplier ID is given as supplier underscore ID in syntax, which allows each supplier to be uniquely recognized and associated with the products that they provide. Foreign keys: order customer ID, order product ID, and order supplier ID. The customer ID foreign key in order to link the specific customer who has placed the order, allowing tracking of the order history and the customer purchasing behavior. The product ID is given to the table that connects each order to the specific product which is being ordered, enabling detailed order inventory management. Product supplier ID is given as the foreign key in the product table associates each product with the supplier that it provides, facilitating supply chain analysis optimization. Cardinality: customer to order, order to product, and the supplier to product. First, customer to order. The cardinality between this is the orders in which one to many is given or one to one. Each customer can be the customer that can give multiple orders, but each order is associated with a single customer. Order to product is given by many to many or many to one. Each order can contain multiple products and each product can be a part of multiple orders. Supplier to product is the cardinality between suppliers and products in one to many. Each supplier can provide multiple products and each product is source of a single supplier. Entity relation diagram is a visual representation of the database schema. It illustrates the relationship between different entities and objects of the database. ERDs help designers and developers to understand the structure and the dependencies of the database system. Here in the diagram, we can see how big of a ER diagram can be done for a hospital management system. And similarly, we'll have separate management systems, how the ER diagram expands and expresses itself. What are the benefits of having ER diagrams? So, improved data organization. It provides visual representation of the database structure, making it easier to understand relationships between entities and how data is being organized. It enhances the data integrity by defining entities and attributes relationships. ER diagram helps to ensure data integrity, consistency throughout the database. Optimize database design. ER diagram can inform more efficient database design, leading to improved and performance scalability. In conclusion, ER diagrams are a crucial tool for order processing database design. They are a valuable tool for designing robust, efficient order and other processing databases. Their visual representation of entities and attributes help the potential issues of the design process. Thank you.